Hi guys, we are getting our groceries for the week and seeing what we can get at Aldi. And I have this one with me. Nothing but junk. This is what happens when I bring her with me. And of course, she had to get her Starbucks. Well, I guess so did I. Okay, so you got 4 cans. We need 4 cans of these. Another can. Oh. And okay, I think that's okay. Ooh. Right here, Emily. Stuffed shells. Really? Okay. Cheddar Jack, the bottom one. Emily, your favorite, bacon. Okay. Oh, they got turkey bacon. What are you doing? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why are you walking like that?
Because there's a smashed blueberry.
Oh. This girl Scooter's in here. Little thing that goes on my keychain. Put my little quarter in here, so you don't need to search for a quarter every time. Got chicken, tortillas. Can you guess what I'm making? An easy chicken and cheese quesadilla. Chicken and cheese quesadilla. Spray, seasoning, salt, chicken, tortilla, cheese, chicken, guac and sour cream. Here's my lunch. Super easy, quick. After going to the grocery store, I gotta put my groceries away. My cabinets are, my organization stuff is getting a little messy and crazy. So I really don't have the energy to be organizing it. So I'm just gonna kind of do as best I can. Same with this snack. Guys, that's as good as it's gonna get. I just kind of threw everything everywhere. I know it's not totally organized, but basically I got my canned goods, I got baking stuff, rice cakes, lunch boxes and bags and stuff, pastas, more baking stuff, noodles, cereals, chips, that's mainly for the hubby, and then just the snack stuff. Not all that healthy, but it's kind of grab and go for after school snacks and dance. And then obviously I have fruits and stuff and yogurts and string cheese and everything in the fridge. So there you go. This is also a snack. Me and Emily love grabbing little grape tomatoes. Harper likes these little yogurt thingies. Obviously those. Some apple juice. Stuff in here. Some fruits and veggies. And some more fruit that I have to cut out for the kids. Little trick, guys. This is how I hang my tea. Woo, tea's ready. I add some honey and I'm adding some lemonade. And I just add a little bit. Mix that in there. A little bit of honey. Give it a swirl. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and sharing is caring. We appreciate it. Also turn your notification bell on so you get notified every time we post a new video. Bye guys.